clicked on this video, you want to know about the Nexus Snap Review pre-launch that's going on right now. The Nexus Rewards Review. This is free to start, and we're going to dive into it right now. This new relaunch of Nexus Snap Review, they rechanged up the commission structure, which changes everything with this opportunity. I've been in it for 24 hours. I knew I had to jump on it. 2024 coming in. This is my first video back. So happy new year to everybody. There's going to be a lot of people getting in position to make a lot of money this year. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, because this channel is going to be one of those places that's going to help a lot of people win out here. With this Nexus Snap new pre-launch reward, the commission structure has changed. You're going to be able to earn a lot more money a lot faster. There's a lot of ways to save money back there. You can earn for free. You can earn $34 per person for free. You can earn passively even if you don't do anything. And right now with this type of product, because so many people need it and this is a global opportunity, this is going to definitely catch like wildfire. So I had to get in early. Not only that, if you look at the screen, out of the top 3 people, 2 of those people are in my team. Mac Mills, I'm in his downline. Kwan Mayo, he's my sponsor. I'm in his downline. Not only that, a lot of those numbers you see in those people, I know a lot of those people. A lot of those people under Kwan Mayo, we run in a team called the Elite. So it's a lot of serious people in our team. So you want to come in and lock in your spot as quickly as possible. As you see, I'm doing my first video of many I'm going to be promoting heavily. They got a special going on right now for this month, which I'm not going to get into in this video. I'll get into in the next video, but I'm getting ready to play a clip from you for the owner himself, who's going to walk you through exactly what Nexus Snap is, the type of things that it can do for you, the power that it is. But it's going to be a lot of content being delivered to you here. Not only this, I got free tools coming for you. I've got other streams, because we do multiple streams of income that's going to complement this stream. So therefore you can make your money, make you grow more money. I'm so excited for 2024. So if you're excited for 2024, remember that this channel is your Get Money headquarters. We are the people's champ. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share. I'm going to go ahead and let the owner of the company explain some details to you about why this is so powerful and why it's definitely going to take over out here. It already is beginning to. So definitely lock in your spot below. Also, I'm working on a team funnel, a new team page, and some marketing content for our team members. We are already have international people that are in our golden ticket movement as well. So here's the video, and take action, get in. If you have any questions, my contact information is below. Get involved, get locked in for free, get paid. Whatever you do, just don't not do anything, because this is going to be huge. As you can see already, this started November 7th, and the top 2 earners in the company, Mac Mills and Kwan Mayo, are in my upline. I'm directly under Kwan Mayo, and I got in early, because when we grow a team, we've done this many times again in the past years, but I don't think it's going to be too many things that's going to be as big as this. This company is doing it right. They're listening to the people. They studied all the other companies, and they looked at where they failed at. They looked at where they won at. They took all the positive things. They dumped all the trash. Not to mention, people are saving money. There's so many testimonials I've seen with this. It was a no-brainer for me to join. Not to mention, my whole serious team, when we get money, has jumped into this. So I'm all in. This is a great way to start 2024. Get involved, get your link, get in contact with me so I can help get you into position. We have many ways to market. I have many tools that's going to help you get and reach out to people, to get people to join you, not just join me, to help join you. This is about our whole team, not just me. So subscribe to the channel, take advantage. My link is in the description below. I will have a funnel within the next 24 to 48 hours. It's going to help you get even more sales. Not to mention, I'm going to give you a sneak peek. There's 3 other processes that I have that can even help you get this funded. So you don't even have to pay for it. And I can tell you about that behind the scenes. There'll be more coming out in the next 2 days about that. But if you come in now, I'll show you how to do it. But here's the video. Like, share the video. Here's the owner telling us more about what's going on. And I'll see you in the next one.
Hello, my name is Art Phelps. My brother Rob and I are the co-creators of Nexus. In this short video, we'll show you how our state-of-the-art automated marketing system can help you generate passive, recurring income of hundreds, even thousands of dollars a month. We've been developing marketing funnels for decades. They've helped thousands of people enroll hundreds of thousands of members into dozens of opportunities. Our newest, one-of-a-kind marketing system allows anyone, regardless of their background, experience, or financial constraints, to start making money from day one. In fact, You can make $34 on everyone you enroll, even if they enroll for free. No other company enables you to make money on free signups. It's totally unique to Nexus. And our innovative compensation plan allows people to build a residual income of hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars a month and more, all for only $9.95. We start making money simply by using the products and services. Nexus has developed relationships with some of the largest and most exclusive savings and cashback companies in the world. These companies have already saved their members hundreds of millions of dollars and have paid tens of millions of dollars in cashback. This is allowing our members to dramatically reduce their existing bills and get huge savings, discounts, and cashback on everything they're already buying. 25 cents, 50 cents, $1 and more per gallon of gasoline, up to 25% on groceries, 90% on prescription medications, 40% on dining, 70% on shopping and travel, and with our bill reduction program, our members are slashing their monthly expenses on auto and home insurance, heating, electric, cell phones, TV, cable, internet, and more. Now, to become an affiliate, it's only $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee. The beautiful thing is that the Nexus platform is easily saving people 10 times that amount. $500, $1,000, sometimes even $2,000 to $3,000 a year and more. At under $10 a month, it not only pays for itself, but can make you a lot of money whether you ever refer people or not. But keep this in mind, the market potential for these services is incredible. Hundreds of millions of people are already looking for ways to pay less and keep more of their hard-earned money. So if you do share this with others, the potential earnings can be enormous. First, you will earn $25 on all of your personal referrals, whether it's 5, 10, 50, 100, or more. You get $25 on all of them. Next, you can earn up to 10 levels on everyone your people refer. So as your people refer others, that's your second level. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people on your second level alone. And as they share it with others, that's your third level. This growth continues to multiply through an entire 10 levels of referrals. When you factor in some geometric growth, there is tremendous income potential here, especially when you have an automated system that from start to finish duplicates the process over and over and over again. Next, Nexus pays an additional 20% through a one-of-a-kind, copyrighted, coded infinity bonus. Everyone who gets coded to you will randomly code 2 of their first 5 members to you, who in turn will code 2 more. This process continues on and on and on. You could ultimately be earning $2 monthly payments on an ever-expanding group of members who are literally dozens, ultimately hundreds of levels deep into your network. Plus, we don't have to stop at 5. We can share this with as many people as we want. And you get 2 new infinity pay lines from every one of them. The income generated just through the coded bonus part of the plan can be mind-boggling. Next, the instant you become a paid affiliate, you are immediately placed into the highest position available in our lucrative 3x10 force matrix. A 3x matrix means that there's 3 positions under you, and once they're filled, either by you or the people above you, everyone else will go underneath them until the 9 positions on the second level are filled. Then everyone goes on the 3rd level until that's filled, then the 4th level, and on through 10 levels. Now, the most you can make in this matrix without referring anyone is $2,460 a month. But that number triples with just 1 referral, and it triples again with just 5 referrals. And the exciting thing about this matrix is that you can also receive a 100% check match on all of your referrals. Meaning, if one of your referrals makes $10 in the matrix, you'll make an extra $10 on top of your matrix earnings. If they make $100 in the matrix, you'll make an extra $100 on top of your matrix earnings. If they make $1,000, you'll make an extra $1,000 on top of your matrix earnings. Whatever your referrals earn in the matrix, you will earn as well. The timing could not be better. Think about it. Who doesn't want to pay less? Simply by sharing this website, you're helping others save money and get cash back, while generating a life-changing income that can pay you for years and years to come. Then think of this. The majority of the population is unaware that this program even exists. By joining us early, you will gain a crucial advantage. Hey, you could look for years and never find anything this good. Opportunities of this magnitude don't come along very often, and missing out on them is something you do not want to regret. Nexus is a unique program where literally everybody wins. People are making hundreds, even thousands, just by using the apps. They have an incredible lucrative compensation package, a matrix that has the potential to pay over $2,000 per month without referring a single person, 100% check match, and a game-changing coded infinity bonus. Our simple-to-use, automated system is already helping people build their dream residual income and get more out of life. More savings, more cash back, more money, more fun, and more freedom. And this system can absolutely help you too.
Well, some things in this world were meant to be, like living life in peace and harmony. And there's hope, a better life for you and I. We'll take our dreams and fly. Together we can try. That's life.